People everywhere are making over $10,000 a month using simple AI tools. No coding, no business degree, no fancy setup, just smart use of the right apps. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that ordinary people are using right now to build real income. I'll explain how they work, how others are making money with them, and how you can do it too. Stick around till the end because the last tool is a hidden gem that could change everything. Let's get started. Quick setup and credibility. AI is not just for tech experts anymore. You don't need a degree or a team to make it work for you. All you need is the right tools and a clear plan. I've spent the last few months testing dozens of AI platforms that promise to make money online. Some were complete trash, but a few stood out because real people were actually using them to earn steady income every month. These aren't theories. They're real results from creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who started with nothing. The truth is, AI has leveled the playing field. Anyone with a phone or laptop can build an income stream if they learn to use these tools the right way. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or freelancer, these platforms can help you start something real. So let's jump straight into the first one, a tool that almost everyone has heard of, but very few know how to actually profit from. ChatGPT, the $10,000 writing machine. Let's start with the most powerful free tool on the planet right now, ChatGPT. Most people use it just to ask random questions, but smart creators are using it to make real money every single day. How? By selling words. That's right. People are charging clients for scripts, blog posts, ad copy, and product descriptions that ChatGPT helps them write in minutes. On Fiverr and Upwork, there are freelancers making $100 per script, $50 per blog post, or even $300 per video script. And they don't write a single word from scratch. They use ChatGPT to do 80% of the work, then spend a few minutes polishing it. You can do this too. Just pick a niche, like YouTube scripts, website content, or short stories. Give ChatGPT your topic and let it write the first draft. Edit it a little, deliver it, and repeat. That's exactly how many beginners are turning a free chatbot into a $10,000 per month writing business. Leonardo AI, the designer that never sleeps. Now let's talk about one of the fastest growing AI tools in the world, Leonardo AI. This tool turns your words into beautiful images, logos, or thumbnails in seconds. And people are using it to make serious money online. How? By offering AI design services. On Fiverr, creators charge anywhere from $15 to $100 per image. And guess what? Leonardo AI does most of the work. You just type a simple prompt like a luxury car on a sunset road in cinematic lighting. And in less than a minute, you get a professional quality design ready to sell. You can create thumbnails for YouTubers, logos for startups, or posters for brands. And since Leonardo AI gives you daily free credits, you don't even need to spend money to start. The key is to combine creativity with good prompts. Once you master that, clients start coming to you. It's basically like having your own graphic design agency that works 24/7 without needing any design skills at all. 11 Labs, the AI voice that sells itself. Next up is 11 Labs, the tool that's quietly powering thousands of YouTube channels, podcasts, and audiobooks. This AI voice generator sounds so real that most people can't even tell it's not a human. And that's exactly why creators are using it to make thousands every month. Here's how. People use ChatGPT to write scripts, then use 11 Labs to turn those scripts into natural-sounding voiceovers. They combine both to make faceless YouTube videos, audiobooks, or even TikTok content. On Fiverr, voiceover sellers using 11 Labs easily charge $50 to $200 per project, and it takes just a few minutes to generate. You can also use it for your own content. Let's say you want to start a motivational channel or explain tech trends. You don't need to record your own voice. Just paste your script, pick a realistic voice, and you've got studio quality audio instantly. It's the perfect tool for anyone who's camera shy but still wants to build a powerful online brand, or even a faceless YouTube empire. Opus Clip, the shortcut to viral content. If you've ever wondered how some people post 10 viral shorts a day without editing all day long, here's their secret. Opus Clip. This AI tool takes long videos and automatically turns them into viral-ready clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You simply upload your full video, and Opus Clip instantly finds the most engaging moments, adds captions, zooms, and music, all on its own. What used to take hours now takes minutes. And here's the best part. Creators and editors are selling this service for $30 to $100 per short. There are freelancers making $5,000 to $10,000 a month just cutting videos with Opus Clip. They find clients who need more content, upload their footage, let AI do the hard work, and deliver 10 to 20 clips a week. If you want to scale, you can even batch it. Upload multiple videos at once, let AI process them, and publish new shorts daily. It's fast, efficient, and almost automatic. The algorithm loves consistency, and Opus Clip helps you stay consistent without burning out. Tool number 5, Notion AI, the productivity goldmine. The last tool on this list is something professionals quietly use to stay organized and make more money, Notion AI. Most people think Notion is just a note-taking app, but the AI version can actually run your business for you. It plans your content, writes your outlines, manages client tasks, and even builds systems that make you money while you sleep. For example, YouTube creators use Notion AI to manage scripts, thumbnails, and upload schedules. Freelancers use it to track clients, proposals, and deadlines. And agency owners use it to automate entire workflows, meaning fewer mistakes, faster delivery, and happier clients. Here's where the money comes in. People are selling pre-built Notion templates online for $10, $30, even $100 each. And guess what? Those templates are mostly written with Notion AI itself. You build once and sell it over and over again. If you're someone who loves staying organized or teaching others how to be productive, this tool can literally become your full-time business. The secret combo that multiplies income. Now, here's where things get exciting. You don't need to use these AI tools separately. The real magic happens when you combine them. Think about it. ChatGPT writes your script, 11 Labs gives it a voice, Leonardo AI designs the visuals, Opus Clip cuts it into viral shorts, and Notion AI keeps everything organized. That's a full online business, built entirely by AI. Many creators are doing exactly this. They start a faceless channel, use ChatGPT and 11 Labs to make the content, use Leonardo AI for thumbnails, and Opus Clip to repurpose everything for shorts. Then they manage their workflow with Notion AI. This one system creates 5 different income streams: YouTube ad revenue, brand deals, freelance editing, design gigs, and digital product sales. And the best part, you can do it all alone without needing a team. Once you set it up, it runs almost on autopilot. You create once, and AI keeps working for you. That's how ordinary people are turning a few free tools into $10,000 a month and scaling even higher. Real people, real results. If you think this sounds too good to be true, just look around. There are hundreds of small creators, students, and freelancers quietly making money with these exact tools. Some started with zero experience, using free versions, and now they earn enough to quit their jobs. I've seen teenagers making full-time income just editing shorts with Opus Clip. Freelancers who use ChatGPT and 11 Labs are landing $2,000 monthly retainers writing and voicing scripts. And designers using Leonardo AI are selling thumbnails for $25 a pop, sometimes making $300 in a single day. The difference isn't luck, it's action. Everyone you see winning with AI simply took the first step and stayed consistent. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. Because the earlier you begin, the faster you'll grow. AI is evolving daily, and those who adapt early are the ones building real wealth from it. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that are turning ordinary people into full-time earners. You can start today using free versions and scale as you go. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time is right now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next breakdown of real AI money-making systems. Drop a comment below telling me which tool you'll start with, and I might feature your result in the next video. Thanks for watching, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.